Have you ever wondered how apps decide multiple conditions at once? That's where logical operators comes in JavaScript. Basically, logical operators are used to combine or modify conditions in a program. They help you to make decisions based on multiple conditions in JavaScript. We use logical operators in real apps like login system, weather apps, and games. These are categorized into three parts: logical and, logical or, and logical not. Logical AND operator returns true only if the both conditions are true, which means both conditions are needed to be true, otherwise the condition becomes false and the code inside it will not run. Let's see in the code. As we have learned conditional statements in previous video, we will use if and else statement, and if you still have not watched it, the link is in the description. So at first we will let the temperature be 20, and now we will use if statement temperature is greater than 0, and here we will use AND operator. We can write AND operator like this, and temperature is smaller than and equal to 30. Then we will simply run, then console.log the weather is good. And here now we will use else statement, console.log weather is bad. And now we will save this, and the output will be weather is good. Hence I have assigned the value of temperature 20, and I have used if statement, and if temperature is greater than 0 and temperature is less than or is equal to 30, then it will return weather is good, otherwise it will return weather is bad. For example, if I assign temperature as 40, what will be the output? Let's see. So the output is weather is bad because this condition is true but this condition is false, and we know that in AND operator both conditions must be true, otherwise the code will not run. And our next operator is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true, which means if both conditions are true, it will execute. Even if only one condition is true, the code will execute, and if both conditions are false, it will not be executed. Let's see in the code. So here I will use this, which is sign of logical OR operator, and if here the temperature is greater than 100, it will return this. So let's see it. Here the weather is good because here the both conditions are true, and if I set here for example 30, it simply executes weather is good because here the temperature is 40 and this condition is true but this condition is false, and we know that in our operator if one of the condition is true then it will execute the program. What if it will be 60? Then it will execute weather is bad because here this condition is false and this condition is also false, and in our operator if the both conditions are false the code will not executed. So our last operator is logical not. Logical not operator returns true if the condition is false and false if the condition is true. Basically it reverses the result. Let's see in code. Let sunny is equals to true, and I will use here if statement. If here I will use not and sunny, then console.log weather is cloudy, and else console.log weather is sunny. So what will be the output? Let's see here. So output will be the weather is sunny, because here the value of sunny is true, and I have used here not operator, which means here weather is cloudy will not execute, and else statement will be executed. And what if I change this value from true to false? Let's see. Then I will run the code, and here as you can see that weather is cloudy. Here I have used not operator, so value of sunny became true, and this condition is executed. Let's revise all the previous topics. AND operator is executed when both conditions are true. OR operator is executed when single or both conditions are true. And at the end, NOT operator is executed when the condition is false. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next one.